Did you know that even advanced English learners can struggle with pronunciation? In this episode, we're going to tackle 5 common pronunciation pitfalls that might be holding you back from sounding natural. Let's dive in and fix them together. Assalamu alaikum, مرحبا بكم for another episode of English بدرجة podcast where we get to learn this amazing language in a fun way and we help learners of all levels improve their language skills. So بلا ما نطول عليكم, let's get started. English has a ton of vowel sounds and they are not always the same as in your language. For example, الدارجة ما فيهاش بزاف الأصوات اللي عندنا هنا في الإنجليزي. For example, the word ship and sheep. هاد جوج كلمات فيهم the same sound ولكن different vowel sounds. علاش؟ ship قصيرة ديك قصيرة. sheep هذيك اي طويلة. ship هي باطو و sheep هي الخرفان. سو إلا كنتي كتهضر مع شي واحد وبغيتي تقول ليه أنا عندي 3 دخوت، شو غادي تقول ليه؟ I have 3 brothers ولا 3 brothers. So 3 is a شجرة and 3 is 3. كاين فرق. A good way to fix this is by practicing minimal pairs words that only differ by one sound. بحال bit or beat. جوج كلمات عاوتاني فيهم the same sound ولكن it doesn't mean the same thing. Bit the spelling هو B-I-T while beat it's B-E-A-T. So you should always pay attention to how to pronounce these words. The second thing is the TH sound. مرة كتكون ذ مرة كتكون ث بحال الثاء اللي عندنا في العربية. For example, the words think or that. It can be hard for non-native speakers, so to fix this, place your tongue gently between your teeth and blow air out. غتحط لسانك ما بين سنانك وغتصوت الهواء ديالك. غتلقى راسك كتقول بحال شي يحنش. أولا the هاد الدال. So it might feel weird at first, but with practice, you will get it. Also another thing which is English is a stressed time language, meaning that certain syllables in a words and sentences are stressed more than others. كمثال الكلمة ديال photograph. The stress is the first syllable. Photograph. ماشي photograph ولا photograph. The stress كنديروه في first syllable. Photograph. So practicing this stress can really make your speech sound more natural. فهمتي؟ Also, English has so many silent letters. For example, شنو هي فارس بالانجلي؟ هي night. كيفاش كتكتب؟ K-N-I-G-H-T. There is a K at the beginning, but it's silent. So, night. Or the W in 2. The number 2. It's T-W-O, not 2-O. It's 2. So the trick is to remember these words as you come across them and learn them to say them the way native speakers do. Sometimes learners overemphasize every word, making their speech more stiff. For example, you're talking to a native speaker and you are saying, I am going to the park. English speakers naturally reduce and stress words. So instead of saying, I am going to the park, you can say, I'm gonna go to the park. I'm gonna. Practice this natural flow by listening to native speakers. تفرج في الأفلام، تسمع موسيقى، تفرج في فيديوهات في انستغرام أو تسمع البودكاست. أتقابل لي كيجمعوا بزاف الجمل في كلمات. بلاص ما يقولوا I want to do something, they will say I wanna. فهمتي؟ Now that you know the 5 common pronunciation mistakes to avoid, start practicing them today. اليوم. And the way to do that, record yourself, listen closely, and keep working on these tips. You will sound more natural in no time. So follow us on social media for more pronunciation tips, keep practicing, and see you the next time.